Live audience. Emily's asking, what makes for a strong personal statement? What would they make that stand out to you? I know that's the primary application, the MCAT, rather than the secondary.
Yeah, it is.
But it's certainly related to exactly what you're talking about.
It is. You know, the personal statement should tell us how you arrived at the decision to want to apply to medical school to eventually be a physician. Somewhere in there, we should learn about your understanding of patients. And how medicine can improve their lives. I recently saw a personal statement where there was absolutely no mention of wanting to deal with patients. In fact, this person wrote about how this applicant's relatives had all gone into medicine, and that's why he wanted to go into medicine. That's not a really good personal statement.
Yeah.
The other thing that you have to balance that with is that they have to talk about themselves, but they have to be very careful when we're counting, and we don't do that, we don't mean to, but after a while, if you notice, there are a lot of sentences that begin with I, that becomes really distracting. And that's why it's so important to read it and reread it and reread it again, and then have someone else look at it and then rewrite it.
So it is possible for the personal statement to be too personal.
That's exactly right. That's, yes. It shouldn't all be about you.
Excellent.